Hey everybody, you might be looking for a quick way to do some heart balloons, some decorating ideas for heart balloons. So I want to show you these heart balloons that I got on Amazon. I want to show you how easy they are to blow up. I want to show you everything. And if you're interested in these balloons, you want to get them before Valentine's Day, there's a link down below in the description where you can find them. Keep watching. Hey, so I wanted to come on to review these wonderful balloons that I got recently. Blowing them up is super easy. I used an air pump to blow them up. I'm demonstrating here how I did it by putting it into the valve. They do have a straw available where you can blow them up with a straw. This is how they look once they are all blown up, but I highly recommend these balloons. You're going to see in the next clip, I'm going to show you how I eventually displayed them on the wall. They turned out really great. The foil in this balloon is really nice. It's a super thick foil. I also love the vibrant colors. This was something that I was a bit concerned about when purchasing it because this product didn't have a lot of reviews. However, at the end of the day, I can say I'm very pleased with this purchase. The balloons look vibrant. I think that these would be perfect for our DIY photo shoot. That's exactly what we used it for. You also get one really large red heart balloon. So can't recommend this product enough. It is absolutely, if you're on the fence about it, definitely get it so that you can do your own DIY photo shoot. I'm going to insert a picture of how some of my photos turned out. Hope you like it. Bye.